In the latter part of 2016, I started the W Group, which is a team inside of Berkshire Hathaway, United Properties. And the reason I started the team was I was being pulled in too many different directions, and I was wearing a lot of hats, and I knew if I wanted to be really successful in this business, I was going to have to create a team to help leverage with all of the things that are involved in a traditional real estate, transaction and listings, and with buyers as well.
I'm part of a team, a partnership that Jarrod Brown and I, we started up. We feel that it's helped our business grow a lot. That one day, if I'm unreachable, something can go wrong. Well, having that other person there to be able to balance it out.
Teams today, there's so much flexibility between every person on the team. The partnerships, the relationships, just kind of eases the load.
What I tell people all the time is a team will always outperform an individual. And like we mentioned earlier, when you are the listing agent, buyer's agent, and you're the transaction coordinator and listing coordinator, you wear a lot of hats, and it's really almost impossible to provide the level of service, at least that I would like to provide in a real estate transaction.
Starting a team, we had never done it before, so sitting there and talking through things and overall just advice and being able to talk to somebody about it rather than this is how it is, this is what it's going to be.
Between the two of us, and then the resources that Berkshire Hathaway gives us, we can grow that buyer's agent. The team, for us, just makes sense.
We want to make the experience as memorable as possible. Our goal was to provide a really stellar experience.